Life is full of ups and downs. Everyone goes through personal and financial struggles that can really set you back and separate you from your goals and dreams. Do you remember how you felt when you were denied credit because of those struggles? How different would your life be if you could finally put those struggles behind you? What if we told you that you can? We believe everyone deserves a second chance at financial peace of mind. How do we do it? Our company performs credit repair using new, innovative methods. Other companies send out generic dispute letters that appear to be written by the client. Not only is this not very effective, but it can prolong the process, which means you pay more money. Our attorneys represent you and send legal intervention letters to your creditors and to the credit bureaus to work towards effectively removing your negative items as soon as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Today is the day to finally take control of your financial life.